Good day, everyone. This is a simulation version of a real-time scanner for interactive brokers TWS API written in Python. It downloads and stores 5-minute candles, but it can be adjusted for any time frame you want, as long as you keep it under 50 requests per second, which is interactive brokers API call limit. This scanner runs at the start of each new candle and downloads the previous one, so the lag is almost non-existent, and it will depend on how many stocks you download. This scanner is single-threaded, but it utilizes asynchronous nature of API calls, which can be stacked, and the number of stacked requests can be controlled in case you want to run other apps in parallel, and we need to keep it under 50. If you're familiar with Thinkorswim scanners in comparison, this cannot scan the entire market, but it opens up truly amazing possibilities in terms of higher precision. Data is stored and processed as NumPy arrays, which are easy to slice and control. You can add any indicators you want, make custom notifications, for example, with Telegram API, write automatic strategies, any orders, anything. This is the base for your own custom trading platform. This can be applied for any instrument interactive brokers carry, options, futures, stocks, anything. So right now it's 27 stocks and the average download time is about 3 to 4 seconds. It will increase proportionally to the amount of stocks. This demo adds only VWAP, but really what you can do with the data is limited only by your imagination. For example, high relative volume scanner, which we all know and love, can be written with much higher degree of precision, because in Thinkorswim, it would have to be written based on volume of the entire previous day candle, because scanners in Thinkorswim are implemented in a way that they loop over most immediate candle. Here you can calculate average daily volume up to a certain point in time, for example, 10 a.m. for the past 5 or 10 days. Save this to a file, load it up before the market opens, and at specified time, 10 a.m., it will notify you which stocks from your list exceeded average daily volume that was traded only up to 10 a.m. for the last 10 days. Or in a similar fashion, you can calculate average volume for each candle for each stock, and scanner will alert you when volume, for example, at 10 a.m. candle from 9:55 to 10 a.m. exceeds average daily volume traded at this particular stock within this particular candle. So you prepare this temporary data after the close each day and load it up in the container, and then adjust scanner logic accordingly and write alerts. So when it is running, you can see the internal structure. The structure is open, high, low, close, volume, date, number of date, time, and VWAP, the last number of VWAP. Of course, the structure, the order, and the interface can be adjusted whichever way you want. So it can be array, JSON-like, function-based, or class-based. It would look like this. So array you call by index, JSON dictionary you call by key. You can do this within a candle, or you can instantiate the class and call a method. So this is obviously simulation to speed things up, but the only thing that's different from real-time version is time loops. So one waits for the launch, so you don't have to, look at the clock and launch it at 9:35 sharp or rely on Windows scheduler. You just launch this, anytime you like. Make sure the TWS is running, and you should just leave it be. And the second loop, it basically waits for next target time. And this can be adjusted according to the time frame you want. Error handling is included. So this is the list of symbols. This is the codes of server errors and connect errors. And this is the container. It stores candles in. This is the simulation date, number of requests per second, per batch, I would rather say. So yeah, also error handling is included. So if it encounters server errors, it waits and restarts the thread and attempts to connect another time. And if it encounters connect errors, for example, internet connection fails or TWS fails or interactive brokers servers get unresponsive for some time, it waits for the connection restore message and picks up the slack it missed when the connection was down. So for example, if the connection was lost at 10 a.m. and restored at 11 a.m., when it restores, it basically will download the candles from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. in a much faster. It wouldn't wait for 5 minutes. It would pick up the slack and then it would return to its normal mode, and it will wait for next target time. So yeah, it finished. So if you're interested, my contact information is in the video description. Thank you all for watching.